Hi, welcome to my AI tutorial channel. In the previous video, we explored a text-to-image AI converter. If you haven't watched it yet, please find the link in the description or click the I symbol above. In today's video, we'll delve into creating cinematic high-quality videos effortlessly, so let's jump straight into it. Navigate to Pika Labs by clicking the link I've provided in the description. Upon arrival, click Join Beta and accept the invitation. If you don't already have a Discord account, don't worry, simply follow my tutorial video linked in the description to create one. After accepting the invite, you'll be directed to the main page, where you can begin crafting your videos. On the right side of the page, you'll find an option to personalize the screen page color. Once you've chosen your preferred color, turn your attention to the left side for detailed guidelines on crafting videos in the Get Started section. These guidelines shed light on the existence of 10 distinct generating channels. Explore them by scrolling down the left sidebar. While navigating the guidelines, you'll come across an example text. Your next step is to copy and paste it into the first channel. Upon clicking, you'll gain access to a variety of videos already crafted by members of the Pika Labs Discord community. Feel free to play and watch them at your convenience. Moreover, keep in mind that you have two methods to create videos, either from text to videos or from image to videos. I'll guide you through each process step by step. Once you spot it, scroll down to discover the input text box. In the text box, type /create and paste the copied sentence. After completing this, click Enter. The video creation process will start, and it will take a few seconds to generate your video. Once the video is ready, click the play button to view your result. Please note that the video will be just 3 seconds long. If you're satisfied with it, you can choose to download it, or if you'd like to try again, click the Regenerate button. To regenerate the video, simply click the Regenerate button and scroll down. It will generate a new and improved video for you. Furthermore, if you wish to remove the video from Pika Labs, utilize the red cross symbol for deletion. Confirm by typing yes and click Submit button, and the video will automatically disappear from Pika Labs. Let's explore the image to video option now. Instead of using the common Generate channel, I'll guide you through a different method. Click on our Pika Labs profile in the top right corner. Once clicked, you'll notice a small text box. Type Hi in the text box to create your private Generate window. After accessing your private side, type a / in the text area, and it will automatically suggest the /create prompt. Select it directly instead of typing in the text area. After completing that step, enter your input in the text area. Once you've finished, click on the +1 more located near your text box. This action will open up a space for you to upload your image, so go ahead and upload the image from your system. Following the image upload, position the cursor in the text area and press Enter. Your video will be generated within a few seconds. Upon receiving the result, click Play to view it. If you're content with the outcome, you can either download it or opt for the Regenerate option to get another result. Additionally, the full screen option is available to zoom your viewing experience. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for future AI updates. Take care and goodbye.